In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform into Mahito through form. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The true form of Mahito exists in Jujutsu Shenanigans. When you transform, you will be much more powerful, and to access this, you will have to hit a specific move when you are awakened. So for the purposes of demonstration, I'm gonna go ahead and disable cooldowns and I'm gonna enable Infinite Awakening. This is to make it easier to showcase, but I'm still gonna make it very clear that there will be a cooldown to these abilities and you will have to do it under those constraints. So first, go ahead and awaken. So once you go into your awakened form, what you have to do is press G. If I press G, you will see this animation play out. Every time that you hit this animation into an enemy, you will see this bar fill up. So this rainbow colored bar below my standard awakening bar. So all that you have to do is walk up to an enemy, line yourself up, and press G. If you are on mobile, press the star icon. This will do the black flash. And if you hit two of them in one awakening bar, you will immediately go into the true Mahito form. Then you will be able to use all of its moves. So I'm just going to showcase them real quick. As I've said before, you will have to respect the cooldowns, and you need to do it within one awakening. So you have to hit two of those black flashes by pressing G or the star icon in one awakening. And if you are able to do it, you will immediately transform into the true Mahito form. So hit two of those and you will be able to get this done. As I'm playing without cooldowns and Infinite Awakening, it is easy, but for you, it might be more difficult, so keep that in mind. These are all the moves, I'm just going to showcase them real quick. And as I've said before, you have to hit two of the moves while under the awakening form. I hope I was able to help you on how to use True Mahito form. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.